So nagpunta tayo dito para ipagawa yung ating Ford Ranger Raptor. Ay, hindi pa ganyan yung sasakyan natin. Ito pa yung sa atin. Para mag-upgrade ng performance itong ating Nissan Navara. What's up mga brother? Welcome back sa channel natin. Ito si Juan ng Motor ni Juan and I am with my wife
Porsche.
Si Porsche. So she's driving today. Ngayon, we'll be going to Manila. We'll be picking up a couple of performance upgrades para sa ating pickup truck. And i-update namin kayo kung ano yung kukunin natin, how much, and all the details that you need to know. Kaya antabay kayo sa channel na to. Ngayon, siya muna magdadrive. I'm the passenger. Sarap buhay muna ako. So, tara, samahan nyo kami.
So, yun nga no. Dalag yung pasahero ko. Dito pa na kami sa Santa Maria. Traffic. Hindi naman masyado. Puro truck yung kasabay namin. So, kayo magdadrive papunta sa Tapak, Philippines where we're going to get the performance upgrades for this Navara. And, ayun. So, yun nga no, ilang oras na, dito pa rin ako.
And it is a nightmare out there on the freeways today.
Sayo, di ba?
So we are finally here in Tapak, Philippines. Nandito yan sa Caloocan mga brad. For the address, ipopost natin yan. Ito, nakikita nyo sa screen. And syempre, they can also be searched sa Waze at saka sa Google. So nagpunta tayo dito para ipagawa yung ating Ford Ranger Raptor. Ay, hindi pa ganyan yung sasakyan natin. Ito pa yung sa atin. Para mag-upgrade ng performance itong ating Nissan Navara. Specifically, two things. Alam niyo naman tayo, when we do upgrades, it's really mostly on performance. So first, i-address natin yung lag that we have observed sa Navara natin. Given na diesel, medyo may lag or may delay sa response time pag nagagas tayo. And we will get a device na makakatulong sa atin para ma-address yun. And another one, especially when my wife is driving, who's shooting the camera right now. So thank you sa wife ko. Ayan. Nahihirapan talaga siya sa gabi. Especially if it's raining. Kasi hindi masyado malabo yung ilaw or malabo yung stock lights natin. Kaya mag-upgrade tayo ng ilaw natin. Eto, samahan nyo kami, papakita natin sa inyo and we'll give you all the details para makonsider nyo tong mga upgrades natin para sa inyo. Tara! Okay, so for today, what we're gonna have, unang-una muna papagitan natin is really the headlight. And alam nyo naman, for the pickup owners there, especially for the Navara users, medyo mahina ang datingan at saka yung buga ng ilaw ng stock na headlamp natin. For the stock, this is what we have. Ano lang to? Yung simpleng halogen lamp lang. At least for the headlight, syempre, GP&E, always the best yan. Very dependable. Ito siya. So what we got is the H4 pure white headlight. Ito yung ilalagay natin to be the replacement para sa headlight natin.
Ito yung bulb natin, sir. Bali, dalawa dito, dalawa din dito. Bali, apat po sa low, then apat din po sa high.
So each bulb, meron siyang 5,800 lumens. Tapos sa isang light na ganito, merong 4 bulbs.
Opo.
Okay, and sabi nga ni Kuya Jeff, meron na siyang built-in na fan to avoid overheating.
Yes, sir.
This is also waterproof na. So very durable, definitely. So yun yung ipapalagay natin. At saka syempre, right afterwards, itetest natin to para ipakita natin sa inyo as to how the visibility is kapag ito yung gamit natin. Papakita natin sa inyo yan. To go along with our GP&E LED headlights, we are also going to install yung GP&E fog lights. So this the H11, we opted to go for the yellow light na lang dito. The reason why we opted to go for the yellow light is kasi yung yellow, mas susceptible siya, tsaka mas okay yung visibility niya if in case maulan or kahit na malakas yung ulan kasi mas tumatagos yan sa ilaw. So, combination ng GP&E H11 fog lamp ang ipapalagay natin to go along, and co-combine natin siya sa all-white na GP&E LED lights. We're finished installing the combination natin ng GP&E LED lights at saka yung fog lights natin. Yan, from what we can see, hindi pa nga ganun kadilim, pero iba na yung datingan ng ilaw natin. Definitely brighter than bright. Pero para mas makita nyo, yan, eto, panoorin nyo to. Sige, fog light. Headlight. Bright. Fog. Headlight. Bright.
So let me show you another view ng ating fog lamp. So again, this is the GP&E H11R3 3200K. Again, we got the yellow light para perfect yan pag maulan, tatagos yung ilaw natin dun sa tubig. And this will cost you right around 5,500 pesos. For our headlight, we decided to go for the all-white H4 R3 6000K. If you notice, focus talaga yung ilaw niya, hindi siya basag. And more focus light equates to more safety on the road. This one will cost you around 5,000 pesos lang. And even if you're getting a brighter than bright production sa ilaw mo, eh hindi naman siya bulag sa kasalubong mo. The fog lamp is perfect, the low beam is great, hindi siya talaga nakakasilaw, and pagdating naman sa bright, then obviously you have that power for you to be able to have that safety when overtaking and passing through vehicles. GP&E LED lights are already IP68 durable at saka weatherproof. Waterproof yan, it already has its own fan to avoid overheating. And as far as I know, this is the only LED light that offers 3 years warranty. That's the longest kasi yung ibang mga nakita ko hanggang 2 years lang talaga eh. So that's a testament as to the durability and dependability of the GP&E lights.
So after we're done installing our GP&E lights, okay na, sigurado na tayo sa ilaw natin. Ito naman, alam naman natin for diesel, usually ang problema natin dyan is there's a lag, there's a delay in response. So one of the things that we can do or we can surely do is install nitong top speed advanced controller. So top speed is definitely the most advanced accelerator controller na meron tayo, and mas advanced na to versus nung na-release nila the previous one because this is already version 2. Ayan. For the version 2, mas maganda yung interface ng app niya, mas responsive na, mas marami ng features yan. Among others, syempre, ipapakita natin sa inyo yung mga features ng top speed, pero just to name a few, we have anti-lag, meron tayong sport or top speed mode, at saka yung theft natin or anti-theft natin, yung car lock mode, para siguradong hindi makakarnap yung mga kotse natin. Pero lahat yan ipapakita natin sa inyo. Kaya ito, kinakabit na ni Kuya Jeff.
Bawal kabit.
Hindi pala, bawal kabit. Nilagagay na ni Kuya Jeff. So, na-install na ni Kuya Jeff yung ating top speed advanced accelerator controller. Ito, dito na lang natin siya nilagay. So, as a driver, para sa akin, visible pa rin yan and it won't get in my way. And besides, you can connect this to our phone naman. Mas maganda, mas madali i-control. So, we just have to download the app, the Top Speed V2, so that we can connect this gadget into our phone para mas okay yung experience natin in terms of controlling and using the Top Speed V2 Advanced Accelerator Controller.
Hello, I'm Angel, and ngayon po, nandito po si Sir Juan, motor ni Juan for the, for vlogging ng ating products. Here at Top Up Cover, ang kinicarry po namin is kung meron po kayong mga pick-up trucks, ang kinicarry namin is yung brand po namin na Top Up Cover, which is 3 years warranty, no drilling, 100% weatherproof and fiberglass made material. So kung gusto nyo po ng mga matitibay na cover and weatherproof po na cover, just contact us at Top Up Cover po. And our Facebook page is Top Up Cover Philippines. Then we also have Top Flip Cover kung gusto nyo po yung talagang meron kayong ilalagay na mas mataas na gamit sa likod ng inyong pickup trucks. Meron kaming trifold, which is yun nga po yung Top Flip Cover. And ang aming pong Facebook page is Top Flip Cover Philippines po. Then, kung meron naman po kayong mga accessories na gustong i-inquire for your pickup and SUVs, pwede rin po kayong mag-inquire and for more information on Top Up Cover Philippines na din po. Meron din po kaming kinicarry na tint, which is BF Film Ceramic Tint. BF Film Ceramic Tint po is dark from the outside, clear inside, and up to 18 years warranty. Just contact us at BF Film Ceramic Tint Philippines. Then, the other products po, pwede rin kayong mag-inquire sa amin regarding GPNE LED Light Philippines. Yun po ang aming Facebook page. GPNE LED Light Philippines, brighter than bright po yan. Meron din tayong Top Speed Advanced Controller. So, for mga controller po siya, throttle controller, for SUVs, pickups. So, kung meron din po kayong mga inquiries, meron din po kaming Facebook page na Top Speed Advanced Controller Philippines. So, ayun lang po. Thank you very much po, Motor ni Juan, for covering our brands and our store po. Once again, I'm Angel po, and thank you very much po.
You wanted any shoutout, Miss Angel?
Shoutout na lang po sa husband ko, Russell, and to my baby po, Queen Scarlett. Hello po. Tsaka po sa buong family po ng Top Up Cover, we are glad po to have you here, Mr. Juan Carlo. Thank you!
Thank you! Hanggang dito na muna yung video natin mga brother. Sana may naitulong at may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Please do like and share this video, subscribe and then hit that bell para lagi kayong updated sa lahat ng mga automotive car reviews and motorcycle reviews and updates na meron tayo. Also, please follow our Facebook page para mas marami pa kayong update na makuha. Hanggang dito naman yung video natin. Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood nyo. And maaasahan nyo that we will have even more videos para bigyan ng feedback itong mga in-install natin na performance upgrades. Kaya abangan nyo yan. Salute mga brother. Stay safe.